Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, August 22nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk about building generational wealth with silver, gold, and QuickSilver. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with that being said, my why is my family, okay? My kids. I want to build generational wealth, and I want to know that when it's my time to leave Earth, that my family is going to be taken care of, all right? And not only my children and my family, but my children's children, my grandchildren, right? All of my family. I want to know that when I'm not here, that they're going to be taken care of, that they're not going to have to worry. So that is my why. That is why I'm building a mailbox money empire, okay? That is why I show up every day and make these videos. That is why I create content every day. That is why I share my opportunities every day. That is why I do what I do every day, all right? I'm highly motivated to build my mailbox money empire because I'm doing it for my family. I don't want them to have to struggle. I don't want them to have to worry about eating or where they're going to sleep or what they're going to drive. I don't want any of that, okay? That's why I do what I do. And the coolest part about network marketing and network marketing opportunities is that there's no bias in it, right? This is open to anybody. These opportunities are open to anybody. You don't need a special degree. You don't need special anything, right? You just have to have the willingness to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. And you can get results. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to get any results because, again, it's based on your work ethic, and most people don't have a very good work ethic. But it's there for the taking, all right? Your success depends on you and only you, right? It's like playing a round of golf. You can't blame your golf or your bad rounds of golf on anybody other than you, right? It's you against the golf course. And that's the same in network marketing. You can't blame your results on anybody other than yourself, right? So if you're willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you can get good results. But the point of the video is, generational wealth, passing down assets that appreciate over time, right? Not liabilities. And with gold and silver, you can't get any better assets to pass down, right? I mean, gold and silver are tangible assets. They're hedges against inflation. And in over 5,000 years, they've never gone to zero value. They've continued to go up. So that's unlike the traditional paper money, right, that loses value, that's lost 96% of its purchasing power since 1913, and that the government continues to print. It's backed by absolutely nothing, and it just is devalued. So what you buy this year for X amount of dollars is going to be more amount of dollars next year, right? But with silver and gold, they're real tangible assets that you can stock away. They're never going to go down in value. There's only a certain amount of gold and silver on this planet, right? The government can't print more of it. And as the demand for it goes up, the price of it, the value of it's going to go up. So in my opinion, and again, I'm not an expert in gold and silver or any type of investing or anything like that. Do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you these are just my opinions on this. But in my opinion, gold and silver is the best way to build generational wealth for your family because you don't have to worry about it losing value. You can leave money in stocks and you can leave money in other investments. But we all know that, we've had the markets crash sometimes, the housing markets crashed. We've all, the only thing that has never crashed and gone to zero is gold and silver. And with QuickSilver opportunity, not only can you build generational wealth by collecting silver and gold, but you have the option of generating and building residual income by sharing the opportunity with other people and earning commissions from preferred customers and wealth ambassadors that you sign up. In fact, you can earn 7 different ways with the opportunity, on top of collecting the gold and silver for yourself, which is just going to continue to go up in value. So it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. In fact, in all the years I've been doing this, the more I learn about silver and gold, the clearer it becomes that QuickSilver is the best opportunity out there. Products and services are great. You know, if you're selling, supplements or essential oils or things like that, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm part of companies like that. But if you want to build real generational wealth, okay, that's not dependent on bringing other people into an opportunity, then gold and silver is the answer. All right, and then when you throw that opportunity, the affiliate side in, where you can earn additional income, you can be building your own empire, silver stacking empire, while creating and building generational wealth for your family. And it's just a no-brainer, right? You can earn commissions today while building generational wealth for your family, so that when you're no longer here, you know that your family's going to be taken care of. Is that an awesome opportunity? Absolutely. And then on top of that, the fact that the company takes part of their profits and feeds starving children makes it even better. Makes it even better. And I know the company's been around since 2019. It's not going anywhere. The owners have many things in the pipeline planned for this opportunity, and they're just continuously making it better for everybody. So you don't have to worry about rug pulls or anything like that. It's already established. It's not going anywhere, right? And they put together the perfect opportunity. And we have a branded marketing system. You have everything. They provide everything that you need, marketing material, right? So that's what I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on QuickSilver. I'm still doing my other opportunities. I got signed up last night for ABM, and somebody just joined me in Instant Pay. I mean, I'm constantly getting sign-ups in my other opportunities, but I'm gonna start focusing more on QuickSilver, because before I was just stacking silver. I wasn't really paying too much attention to the business side of this. Right? I was just quietly stacking silver. I'd do a video about it once in a while, but it was nothing major. But the more that I'm learning about gold and silver, the more I'm realizing how foolish I was to not be sharing this opportunity with others sooner, right? And why I'm not making this my number one opportunity. Because that's what it is, right? You can start this opportunity for as little as $10 a month, $10 a month. And then if you want to throw in an auto shipment of silver, you can get that for under $10 a month. We have packages that go up into the hundreds of dollars. You can place orders up to $2,000 a month on auto shipment. So it's totally up to you. But you can become a wealth ambassador for $9.97 a month. They're waiving their $20 one-time startup fee right now. And then we have a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you, which I've done videos on all of this. Go check out my other videos on YouTube. In fact, I did one last night. Check it out. It was a live video. So the marketing system, you get a free 7-day trial, then it's $7.77 a month. So if you put on to become a wealth ambassador and get the wealth platform, just do simple math, $10 a month. The lowest auto shipment we have, $10 a month. The marketing system, $10 a month. Less than $30 a month, you can have a complete silver and gold business of your own, where you're not only building generational wealth and increasing your investment portfolio, but you have the chance to get paid 7 different ways by sharing this opportunity with other people. It's a complete no-brainer. It's a complete no-brainer. So if you're looking to build generational wealth for you and your family, and you're ready to start stacking silver and gold, go to silverstackingempire.com. Silverstackingempire.com. There'll be a link down below this video. Take a free tour and you can get a free silver bar to help jumpstart your journey. All right, you just pay, I think it's $2.74 if you live in the United States for shipping and processing. They'll send you a free silver bar just for checking out the opportunity. All right, so this is an awesome opportunity. I love everything about it. Reach out to me if you have any questions. If you find any value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. That all helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And feel free to share this with somebody you might know who might be interested. This might not be for you, but you might know somebody who is interested in something like this and could benefit from this opportunity. Feel free to share this video. I appreciate it very much. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great rest of your day.